This game took way too long. So this is Obstacle Assault in Unreal. Mainly because I was not focusing on. Anyways, not the point. You can download it for Windows and Windows only. It's 1 gig, and once you unzip it, you will get this file, which I forgot to rename. And you basically, there is no sound, so basically you have to go to the end, WSDN space. I don't know if arrow works. Arrow also works, but sick people out there. To be fair, when we started gaming, we always used arrows. We never used. And there is a thing here to pick up. Picked it up. And we picked it up. So this is not just blueprints. So this was after making a platform class in C++. So it was both. Okay. Oh no, blueprint. I think hardly I used blueprints. Hardly, maybe just a bit to fix the when if it doesn't move, he can get stuck into these objects. So just to fix that, we used blueprints. And you see this a lot of things are already in the Unreal learning kit. I just put some things here. Okay, now we will go into doing a bit more stuff like picking objects up, actual scenes. Okay, so that was the whole game. Alt F4 to close. There is no close button. See you.